Hi, welcome. Here we have Nan. He's from Government Pension Fund in Thailand. How are you finding the events today so far?
Well, the event is well organized. I think it brings a panel of experts to share their insights to highly regarded and well-informed investors in locally and regionally. I think I get to learn about the current market dynamics and asset allocation strategies, which are very helpful in me crafting my own investment strategy back at my firm. And it's a great way to reconnect to people and establish new relationship as well. And with the way the topics are lining up, I get to jump off the public markets that I manage to also learn about the private markets that the speakers are mentioning of. Yeah.
Can you introduce yourself a little bit in terms of what you do in GPF, please? So you work for public markets, selecting external fund managers in public market, is that right?
Exactly. So I work in the external fund management that manage the public markets in foreign asset classes. So that covers emerging markets, developed markets equity, global credit, emerging market local currency debt, and lastly absolute return fund. And within the absolute return fund, we invest in multi-asset, multi-strategy.
Were there any key takeaways you got from any of the panels you heard today?
Yeah, I think one of the panels that I find most productive is the equities with Raymond and Alvin. And they share great insights, in particular the way they allocate asset classes and the way they form the portfolio. So for example, Alvin used an analogy of a football club. He's trying to find good managers in each corner of the field and then construct into an all-weather portfolio that supposed to be well-behaved and outperform in all market direction. So I think that one is particularly aligning with our philosophy, and I'll probably catch him up later if I find him to ask more.
Yeah, you could use the networking app. You can always be connected with all the attendees. Thank you so much for participating today.
Thank you.
Thank you.